Hello everyone. From actual jets crashing onto streets to crazy drivers falling into ditches, there's never a dull moment in the hustle and bustle of Florida, the land of crocodiles and bad drivers. How do you think you'd react in these moments, captured by police dash cams? Find out in today's crazy compilation. It's not an average Florida day if at least one person isn't pulling out of pocket business, leading the cops on a wild goose chase while firing at them. Even knowing fully well that the police were on her trail, the driver didn't stop until they executed a brutal pit maneuver. Her next stop, jail.
Stop sticking in the street.
Now, next up is something actually crazy. Pinellas County Sheriff's Office captured the unbelievable moment in which a literal plane crashed into the middle of the road at midday. Luckily, the pilot and passengers weren't hurt. This driver thought his idea to run away from the cops in a random sedan would go really well, considering the confidence with which he was driving. Well, it was a total fluke, and the officers made quick work of getting him under control. Things get way out of hand in this incident, where one of the culprits, after being pulled over, attacks the officers with an assault rifle and ends up losing his life. This just goes to show how hostile people can be.
Yeah, I'm walking for you. He's all right. I got babies. Oh, you got a dog too? Hell. I'll make sure they're all right. I got babies too, man.
That's when the car door opens and all hell breaks loose. More than 61 bullets fired in less than a minute. The man with the assault rifle hit in the leg.
This woman was driving extremely recklessly when the officers spotted her, and then she proceeded to lead them on an even wilder chase before halting her car and dashing away. Good thing the cops found her though.
Too. Please don't do that. I love you. I'm not.
Stop talking.
I have no opinion.
Stop talking.
I swear.
Stop talking.
Nothing like a sunny day at the beach, followed by a casual DUI. This was probably this guy's thought process as he made the cops chase him down the bright streets of Florida, fiesta music and all. No shoes, no shirt, no seatbelt, no problem.
Get out of the car.
Sometimes, when Floridians get their hands on a legit cool car, they become possessed by the demon of bad driving. As you can see here, this driver just couldn't handle leaving this great Audi B. No, they had to get it trashed. In today's round of Florida man did what? We have this Florida man who stole a box truck and then kick-started a crazy car chase in Tampa, having committed a carjacking and forcefully entered the victim's home.
Attention team, we are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. We're on 34, keep wrong. Everybody hold the traffic for a second so we can call it. We're through the parking lot, we're about to come out at 34th Street. Attention team, again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th.
You haven't seen anything until this crazy U-Haul truck chase, going way out of control and bumping repeatedly until speeding away, before it finally crashed into a ditch and had to stop after running into a tree.
The truck crossed a small ditch and came to a halt after colliding with a tree. The driver, reeking of alcohol, was promptly arrested.
The Ocala police officers received reports about a disturbance in a Wendy's parking lot, and when they arrived there, Wendy's was the last thing on the menu. No, they had to deal with an armed man who led them on a high-speed chase before crashing through some wooden fences. Talk about crazy.
Take that 2-1.
This police chase was a sobering moment. This man, after repeatedly putting a woman in danger with battery and kidnapping, finally got chased down by the officers and promptly arrested. The police in Florida already have enough on their plate with bad drivers, but now you have a bad driver who's robbed a bank and is also armed. Well, aren't these officers lucky?
We'll roll over.
Get on the ground! Get on! Get on!
Blasting good old Nickelback while being chased down by cops in a high-speed pursuit. It's a vibe, we guess. But even that didn't last one song. Maybe leave it to the Fast and Furious characters?
Yeah, take off 1428 comes back to Chevy Malibu, okay, 20.
Say what you want about South Floridians, but if there's one thing they know how to do, it's causing drama on the road. Just look at this crazy chase.
Initiates a pit maneuver, spinning the van around and bringing the chase to a crashing end. That cell phone video shows the van being stolen from the North Miami Toyota dealership near the Golden Glades last Tuesday. The driver then taken off on I-95, Sky 10, over the aftermath as well. Both the van and the trooper's vehicle had a lot of damage and a lot of tangling of traffic too.
Now this team effort is bound to soothe your stress from watching these Einsteins endanger everyone on the road. Neat pit maneuver, hilarious GTA hand wave. Dashcams aren't only good for recording chases. They come in surprisingly handy for catching other crimes too, though it's a marvel how these guys thought it's a fine idea to have a shootout in front of a police car. And that's all for today's Reckless Dashcam compilation. Guys, how are you feeling after witnessing these insane moments? Do you think you could have dealt with them better? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more Dashcam content.